missing a few weeks, but I'm glad to be back. I'm a financial professional with New York Life, and what I specialize in is working with business owners and self-employed individuals for wealth accumulation and tax mitigation strategies. So feel free to network. I love coming to this group, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Me?
Got this.
Hi, I'm not going to walk all the way up there. I'm Tom Richardson. I've historically, the last 15 years, been running an insurance agency, but I'm transitioning into doing some investing, wholesaling. I'm interested in a couple of things you say. I will seek you folks out later. And that's about it. Cash buyers is what I need. That's my main goal. I've got good access to properties, but I'm finding buyers don't like the area. Some of them can be kind of picky, so the more I can have, the better. All right? Thank you.